शेवटाक थारले. लोकसभा वेंचणुके खातीर गोंयांत 2 कडेन आनी विधानसभेच्यो 3 कडल्यो पोटवेंचणुको वांगडाच जातात. एप्रिलाचे 23 वेर फकत 1 म्हयनो उरला. निकाल म्हयन्या उपरांत म्हटल्यार 23 मेक. लोकसभा वेंचणूक 60 टप्प्यांनी जातली. 11 एप्रिला सावन 19 मे मेरेन. तिसऱ्या टप्प्यार गोंय मतदान करतले. मांद्रे, म्हापशें आनी शिरोडे मतदारसंघा खातीर. आयतारच्यान म्हटल्यार 10 मार्चा सावन आचारसंहिता लागू जाल्ल्याचे मुखेल निवडणूक आयुक्त सुनील अरोरान जाहीर केले. मात गोंयांत नामांकनां भरपाक सुरवात जातली ती 28 मार्चाक.
Date of issue of notification 28th March. Last day of nomination 4th April. Date of scrutiny 5th April. Last date of withdrawal of candidature 8th April. Date of counting of course 23rd.
हेर 13 राज्यांतले 114 मतदारसंघांबरोबर गोंयची लोकसभा वेंचणूक तिसऱ्या टप्प्यांत जातली. मांद्रे, म्हापशें आनी शिरोडेच्यो पोटवेंचणुकोय वांगडाच जातल्यो. लोकसभा वेंचणूक 7 पावंड्यांनी जातली. 11 एप्रिलाक सुरवात जाल्यार 19 मेक निमणो टप्पो. पळयात वेळापत्रक. मजगती गोंयचो मुखेल वेंचणूक अधिकारी कुणालानय गोंयच्या वेंचणुकांचेर उजवाड घाला. पळयात.
The elections notified by the Election Commission of India, both the parliamentary constituencies in Goa are going to be polling on 23rd April and the notification will start on 23rd March. Nomination will start on 28th March. Last day of nomination would be 4th April. Scrutiny will be next day, 5th April. Last day of withdrawal is 8th April. Polling is 23rd April and counting is 23rd May. As of now, the dates for both the parliamentary constituencies as well as all the 3 vacant seats of Goa Legislative Assembly, which is Mapsa, Mandre and Shiroda. North Parliamentary Constituency as on date is having 5,54,072 voters. South Goa Parliamentary Constituency is having 5,77,546 voters. So total it is 11,31,618. The electoral roll is frozen on last day of nomination. So it will be frozen on 4th of April. Let me give you the figure of 3 ACs which are going to face election. Mapsa is at present having 29,103 voters. Mandre is having 32,129 voters. Shiroda is having 28,919 voters.
गोवा 365 ब्युरो पणजी.